So these are the high-line tunable white solderless connectors, which can help to power up or link separate sections of tunable white strips, available in strip-to-strip, strip-to-strip extension, and strip-to-strip. So starting with the strip-to-wire, all you have to do is to fit the LED strip into the connector. You have to make sure that the copper is making full contact with the connector, and you should be able to power up the strip separately. The strip-to-strip solderless connector is simply used to link two sections of a LED strip together. So once fitted properly, you'll be able to power them up. And lastly, the strip-to-strip extension can be useful if trying to extend the LED strip around corners or angles. Don't forget to click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.